Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video I am going to share a Coach unboxing with you. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is an item that I picked up pre-loved from eBay, and this is how the seller packaged it. The seller put it in a box of a sufficient size, thank goodness. Then the seller cradled it in bubble wrap, a nice amount of bubble wrap. Then the seller put in a Target shopping bag, which is reusable, so I might get some use out of this. And then in its dust bag. So does anyone want to guess what might be in this dust bag? If you said a Rogue, you would be correct. This is in the color washed red. And the seller didn't stop there. The seller wrapped the handles and put a piece of tissue paper over the overlay and suede. So seller, whoever you are, and if you're watching, thank you, because you did an outstanding job of presenting this pre-loved item to me. So let's just get into the corners of this pre-loved bag. And I'm gonna bring it in close so that you all can inspect the corners. And I think the corners, the handles, the overlay, and the suede on this bag are in really good condition. The tag is still attached. Let me show you, for those of you who may not be familiar with retail on the Rogues, the retail is $795. This size is the medium size. There's a smaller 25 size, there's a larger 39 size. This, I believe they call it the 30 size, but I just call it the regular size Rogue. The regular size Rogue with no embellishment, no snakeskin handles or T-roses or anything, start at $795. So in a previous video, I had unboxed this Rogue, the nude pink one, and I mentioned that I got it at a phenomenal price of $277. So now I think you all understand why I said it was phenomenal, because neither of these bags were anywhere near the retail of $795. But again, I didn't purchase them brand new. This one was new with tags, this one was pre-loved, and I think I got a decent price on both of them. So once again, this is the washed red color, and this is the nude pink color. And let me compare the Coach washed red with the Dooney & Bourke just regular red. This is the Toscana satchel. So there you have a comparison of what washed red looks like against true red. And let me also show you my Dooney & Bourke Blair in the color coral against the Coach washed red. This, I think the Blair is closest in color to this bag, but the Blair is a brighter shade than the washed red, which has more black undertones. And the sun is coming out, but I don't think the sun is gonna help us with the color. So there you have it with the comparison of the colors. And let me just show you all of my rogues really quickly. This washed red is my 6th. This nude pink is my 5th. The barrel slash speedy slash Dr. Bag style with the patchwork snake skin handles is my 3rd. These two are my made to order rogues. This one is in the color olive with a black overlay. They call this the overlay, with gorgeous ginger stitching and a ginger interior. And my other made to order is this ginger color with the oxblood overlay with the oxblood interior. I bought these at the same time. And then the very first rogue I ever bought is my favorite, which is the barrel slash speedy slash Dr. Bag shape in the color oxblood. And I added the little hologram, the little holographic Coach teddy bear to this one. Now, the speedy silhouette and the square silhouette, it's funny because the speedy silhouette is my favorite style, but I have more of the square style. And I think the speedy silhouette is my favorite because of I think it's ease of access. So with the square shape, you'll notice that the main compartment is also almost like a center zip. It's like a depressed center zip, right? So to access the bag, you have to fold the handles out. And here, let me try this one. This is already open. So you drop the shoulder straps, you drop the handles, and then you open the bag. With the Dr. Bag, boom. There's no dropping of anything. It's just easier to access, and that's why I think I like it. I love my square rogues because I have 4 of them, obviously, but this is going to be the style that I would reach for when I think of rogue. When I think of rogue, I automatically think of this bag, and if it doesn't work with the outfit I have, my second choice is this bag. If this doesn't work with where I'm going, because I don't want to prematurely wear out the snakeskin detail on the handles, so I'm not prone to carry this a lot, then I probably would reach for the olive because the olive has black handles, but I have to be careful with the ginger suede interior. But again, I don't baby my bags. I just don't want this to start wearing, because as we know, suede, when it starts wearing, it looks worn. And the ginger is probably the most durable because it has dark handles, it has darker suede, and that ginger is somewhat of a neutral. So of the 2 newest additions to my rogue collection. I'm not sure which one I would reach for because both of them are just gorgeous colors. This reminds me of the color of that Michael Kors simple little crossbody that my sister bought me for Christmas. I love the color of that bag. That bag has a little more brown in it. This bag is a little more pink, which is probably why they call it nude pink. And then this beauty queen here, oh my gosh. I could honestly see myself reaching for this bag a lot. So the overlays on these two are the same color as the bag. The overlays on these two are different colors. And the overlay on this one, this is just a monochromatic color all the way around. And then this has the black overlay, the dark denim with the snakeskin patchwork handles. So there you have it, handbaggers, military moms, rogue collection. I don't think I'm going to be adding any more rogues anytime soon, though I would love a rogue in melon. Number one, I'm running out of room. And number two, these bags are not inexpensive. I've had anxiety over these bags because they cut really deeply into Dooney math, but I love these bags so much that it didn't matter. I went ahead and bit the bullet because life is short and these bags just make me happy. So that is all I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you so much for dropping by the Duck's Nest. And as always, happy carrying, and please stay tuned because trust me, there are more hatchlings to come.